Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have half adder, but this time we are going to use the block diagram. Please keep in mind that inside of this box we have exclusive OR gate and AND gate, like we had in the previous problem. Okay, instead of drawing two gates, we are going to draw the block diagram. Okay, and I'm going to extend the outputs again. So this is my carry out and this is my sum. Okay, now I'm supposed to write the formula. We can say A plus B because this is other. So A plus B. A is 0, okay, and B is receiving also 0, so if 0 plus 0 is equal 0. But because I have two outputs, I'm going to write 0 using 2 bits. So I have 0 and 0, where this is my sum and this is carry out. This is my least significant bit and this is my most significant bit. So 0 plus 0 is equal 0. So this is the solution to my problem.